Now let us see few mistakes and corrections of BHUJAPEEDASANA, shoulder pressing pose. Now you can see the starting position. She is keeping her feet far away so that her palms are also going away from the body. So in this position, if you try to go to the pose, you cannot balance and you cannot hold the pose for longer time. So now first mistake you have to correct. First, keep your feet slightly together. Only little gap should be there, not much. Now lift your buttocks up and try to place your palms from inside. Bring it beside the feet. Now you can see she is pointing her fingers outside, which is wrong completely. You have to point your fingers towards the front and you have to rest your palms exactly beside your feet, not away from the feet. Now, before lifting the body, first you have to interlock the toes. If your toes are apart, you cannot lift properly. Interlock your feet or the toes, and then your hamstrings are resting on the triceps. You can see here, our hamstrings are completely resting on the triceps, and then you have to lift your feet up so you can hold the complete body on your hands. Now one last mistake, you can see she is looking down. So you have to look forward so that you can balance and you can hold the position for longer time. So this is the correct BHUJAPEEDASANA.